In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your ConvertKit form ID. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get into it. Finding your ConvertKit form ID might seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're new to the platform, but I assure you it's quite straightforward once you know where to look. The form ID is essential because it allows you to connect your ConvertKit forms to different apps and services, making your email marketing efforts even more powerful. To begin, you'll want to log into your ConvertKit account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up and start the free trial. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's user-friendly, but sometimes it can feel like there's a lot going on, especially if you're new. Now, on your dashboard, look for the Forms option located on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page that lists all the forms you've created. You might see several forms here, and it's helpful to know which one you want to find the ID for. Once you spot the form you are interested in, it's time to take the next step. Move your mouse over the name of the form. Now, you should see some options appear, including Settings, Inbox, Submissions, and at the very end, an option that looks like 3 dots or an ellipsis. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select the Settings option. This action will open up a new window where you can adjust various settings for your form. It's in this settings window that you'll find the form ID. Look at the URL in your browser's address bar while you're in this settings window. The URL contains a long string of numbers and letters at the end, which is your form ID. For example, if the URL looks something like this, https://app.convertkit.com/forms/123456/settings. The number 123,456 is your form ID. It's that simple. Just make a note of this form ID, and you can use it in your integrations, whether you're connecting with other tools or embedding the form on your website. If you're looking to embed your form on your website, you might need to use this form ID in conjunction with some code. You can find the code by clicking on the Share tab while viewing the form settings. This gives you the option to grab your embed code, which will include the form ID as well. It's worth mentioning that if you ever update or change your form, make sure to revisit this process to find the new form ID, especially if you use multiple forms frequently. Keeping track of which form ID corresponds to which form can save you a lot of time and frustration down the line. And that's it. You've successfully located your ConvertKit form ID. Now you're equipped to enhance your email marketing efforts by utilizing this ID in multiple ways. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tutorials. We'll be covering a lot of tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your email marketing with ConvertKit, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments.